today I'm going to be showing you how to do the service interval, the reset maintenance lights. So basically I did the brake flush on this and we did the vehicle inspection, but I already finished doing the vehicle inspection, but I thought I might have showed you how to do this. So we're going to go ahead and put the key on the on position. So you're going to hit the power button twice without holding down the brake pedal. So when all the lights illuminated, make sure your door's closed all the way. And then right here, we're going to go ahead and make sure if there's like any indications, like if, you know, it says brake low or oil change, you're going to have to keep hitting this until it clears. And then we're going to press and hold this button until that says right there. And then we're going to go ahead and reset that one. So we're going to press and hold it. And then we're going to press and hold it again until it resets. And as it's reset in progress. Okay, so now that's resetted. Now if you wanted to cycle through it, you just tap on it. So there's engine oil. So we're going to reset that one too as well. I did that one. Alright, so we're going to cycle through the rest. Brakes on all that. So yeah, after you're done doing that, you'll just basically open the door and then that'll exit right out, and then that's how it's done. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.